Hello all, I welcome you to my channel. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. Today let's see how to install latest version of Java on a Windows operating system. So first go to your favorite browser and type Java JDK download. Hit enter. So that will show you this oracle.com. Go to their official site. Here and to scroll down and you will get latest version of Java 25 available to download for Linux, macOS and Windows. Switch to your Windows tab because we are going to install it for Windows. If you are using Mac or Linux, then you need to switch to all these different tabs. For Windows, just switch to Windows and click on this link to download x64 MSI installer. It's rightly started downloading. Once downloaded, just simply click on that installer. You can minimize your browser. Welcome to Java installation wizard. Click on next. So this is where our Java is going to be installed. Totally fine. Click on next. It will ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. And our Java installation is rightly began. And you can see that our Java is now rightly installed. Just simply click on close. Next step is to set the environment path. So for that, go to search and type environ. That will show you this edit the system environment variables. Open that. And here just simply click on environment variables. That will show you environment variables window. Here click on path and click on edit. And here you need to paste your Java JDK path. So for that, go to your C drive and go to program files. You will get a Java folder. Go inside that. You will get a JDK 25 folder. Again go inside and you will get a bin folder. So you have to go inside that bin folder. And I have to select this path and right click and you have to copy this path. Then you can minimize your browser and here you have to just simply click on new and right click and paste that C program files Java JDK 25/bin folder path over here. Now click on OK. Next step is to set your Java home. Click on new and type Java _ home and in variable value just paste that path, but remember to delete that bin folder. Only keep till JDK 25. Click on OK. Now again OK. Now again OK. And now if you go to search and type cmd to open your command prompt, and within command prompt if you just simply type java space -- version and hit enter, it's going to give you the Java version on your console. So you can see latest version of Java 25.01 is rightly installed on our system. So that's how you install latest version of Java. Let's do a bit of coding. So create a Java folder and go inside that Java folder and create a text document. So new text document and give the file name as prog.java. So you need to remove that .txt with .java. Hit enter. Click on yes. So if you don't see this file name extension, you need to go to view, show and to enable these file name extensions. Once you've done that and you have created this file, let's open it on Notepad and write a bit Java program. So class HelloWorld, public static void main, string args. I'll close the parenthesis and just simply write System.out.println. I'll close with the semicolon and I'm going to print hello world. Just save this file and click on this address bar and type cmd to open your command prompt. And here if you just simply type java c and then give your file name which is prog.java and hit enter, it's going to compile our program and going to create a helloworld.class file. So this is what you need to run. So for that just simply type java and then give your class name which is helloworld and hit enter, and you are going to get the output whatever you have written on your program. So that output will be coming to your console. So that's how you install latest version of Java on the Windows operating system. Please do subscribe our channel Geeky Syntax. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. And if you're interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow the School Python project playlist, or if you're interested on WordPress, so for that also I have this playlist. So please do watch all these different videos. I'm sure you're going to love them. So that's basically all about this video friends. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.